Hello students, welcome back to your science class. In the last video, I summarized and I revised all the steps included in the digestion, in the process of digestion, right from biting the food, chewing it, swallowing it, and then digesting it in the stomach, right? Then in the small intestine, large intestine, and then it's stored in the rectum, right, which is a pouch like structure, okay, and then it is finally excreted through the anus, right. I could not make the diagram of the rectum, okay, and it is just like the more you practice it, the more easy it becomes, right. So you can just prepare like the diagram in your book if you would have seen it. Okay, first you draw like this. There is you show the mouth part. Okay, just this much is enough. Okay, this much is enough. This is the figure of the person. Okay, and here this is the buccal cavity. Okay, this is the buccal cavity, right. Then from here you can draw this is the esophagus or the food pipe, right. Then it comes into the stomach, yeah, and here you can find somewhere here you can find part of liver, somewhat like this, yes, and here is also a pouch like structure. This is the gall bladder, right, and here are some, you can draw a few vessels like things, okay, something like this, these small blood vessels, okay, and then continuing from the stomach from here, okay, then comes here like this, it comes like this, okay, and here is the pancreas, right, this is the pancreas, okay, these are the pancreas, and here also you can draw small like this blood vessels, and this part, this whole part like this it's coiled, right, this whole part, this is the small intestine. Okay, this much I've understood. Now I'll draw the small intestine diagram. So suppose this is the stomach, right, and then here are the pancreas, then here begins the small intestine, something like this. So like I'll tell you the length once again, it's around 7.5 meters of length, okay, it's so big, मतलब आप समझ लो 1 मीटर 3 फीट के बराबर होता है, तो इट मस्ट बी ऑलमोस्ट 21 फीट, 7.5 into 3 अगर आप करो 21 फीट, इतना ज़्यादा लंबा होता है। ये मैंने फिर भी काफ़ी लंबा बना दिया इस केस में, इट डज़ नॉट एक्सटेंड सो इतना नीचे तक, ये छोटी सी जगह पे ही कॉइल होता है, ओके, सो just this much only, it's like coil in this much area, okay, and then you notice from here it continues and forms something like this, okay, it's not a very clean diagram though. This is just to distinguish the large intestine. Okay, this is the large intestine. I told you what is the difference between large and small intestine. It is a diameter, right? it is not the length. Large intestine is hardly around I guess 1.5 meters of length. Okay, almost 4 feet. Okay, almost 4 feet or 5 feet long, like जितना आपकी मम्मी पापा की जितनी होगी हाइट होगी उतनी लंबी होती है, ठीक है, अगर आप इसको पूरा स्ट्रेच कर दो तो. ओके, सो देन यू कैन सी अ पाउच लाइक स्ट्रक्चर, okay, which comes like this. It's a pouch like structure, and this is the opening. So this pouch like structure is the rectum, where the material that has not been digested, that is the waste material, is stored before excretion, right? And excretion, this is spelling excretion. Okay, and this opening is the anal opening or the anus, through which the waste material is excreted or thrown out of the body. Okay. Also, you can see there is a small, like this, if you just draw it like this. Okay, this is a loop, and here, right here, you can notice okay, like this. It's somewhat like this. Okay, and right here you notice something, a small appendage like thing. Okay, so this is called appendix. Okay, and let me tell you one thing, it has no role in human body. It has no role to play in human body. Okay, appendix is a type of organ which has no role to play. It does not play any role in the human body, but it is still there. Okay, so at times, even if sometimes appendix gets infected due to some reason, doctors remove appendix because it does not serve any function in human body. But in case of animals, it does serve a function. Okay, so this is an appendage like thing, something that is like, कुछ ऐसे पतला सा कुछ ऐसे लटक रहा होता है. Okay, this is appendix. Okay. So this is how you are supposed to draw the structure, and this is the pancreas. Okay, so this is the structure of a digestive system. This I have just drawn the lower half of it. You need to draw the entire thing, that is right from buccal cavity, esophagus, stomach, small intestine, large intestine. Along with the stomach, we will draw the liver also, which will extend like this, and then the gall bladder here, then a few vessels from here. You just need to label everything properly. This is the gall bladder. You can even use different colors to highlight different parts. Okay, that is how you have to draw this diagram. Okay.